On behalf of Expert Village, my name's Tom Rowland, and we're at Cottonwood Motorsports, and I'm here to tell you about doing a service on a Polaris quad, and this is fairly representative of many of them. This is the rear brake reservoir on this model. The rear brake reservoir is in different places on different models, but the fluid is pretty clean and clear because it's a brand new unit. When the fluid starts to get dark, that indicates that it's getting moisture into it and that it's worn out and it's hard on the metal parts and stuff that's in the system. So it's good to change it. The factories generally recommend every couple years to change the fluid out. If there's any doubt at all on a 100-hour service, we go ahead and change the fluid and bleed the brakes front and rear. But on Polaris's, they have dual systems. The front handle operates all four brakes, but the foot pedal only operates the rear brakes. And this is the reservoir for the rear brakes only. The reservoir for the front handle is on the handlebar, and it has a separate reservoir system and a separate braking system, and it runs all four brakes.